In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a chart and remove all drawings and indicators in TradingView. First, open TradingView and go to the chart you want to clean up. To remove all drawings, click on the object tree icon on the right-hand toolbar. Here you'll see all your lines, shapes, and text annotations. Click the trash can icon, or select multiple items and press Delete to remove them all at once. Finally, if you want to completely delete the chart layout, you can come to bottom of left-hand toolbar, look for trash can icon, and click on it. That will clean all your drawings and indicators. Alternatively, you can go to your layout on top right, click on it, drop down, and select Open Layout. Now you can see all your layouts there and delete the one you want by clicking on the trash can right next to it. And that's it. Your chart is now completely cleared of drawings, indicators, or even the layout itself. Thanks for watching.